Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make this delicious fluffy plantain puff puff. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using 1 pack of yeast, that is equivalent of 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar and some warm water. I'm just going to mix everything together, then I will set it aside. I will allow the yeast to activate. I'm going to be using this plantain you're seeing here. I've washed my plantain, and you need a very ripe plantain. I'm just going to peel my plantain, then I'll cut it into a little pieces so that I can blend it properly with my food processor. So guys, all the measurement and the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So in my food processor, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and some water so that it can help me to blend the plantain very well. So as you can see, I've blended my plantain. I'm just going to pour it in my bowl. So here is the flour that I'm going to use. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm going to mix everything together properly, then I will set it aside. So now I'm going to pour in my activated yeast, and I'm going to mix everything together so that it can mix properly. Then now I'm going to be adding my flour. I'll be adding my flour bit by bit while sieving it. Sieving your flour is very important because that will help your puff puff to be very smooth and soft and fluffy. So now I'm going to be adding water. I just want mine to be light. I don't want my own to be too hard, so I just want a very light consistency, as you can see here. So now I'm just going to cover it. I will allow it to rest and to rise for about 50 minutes. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you that is looking at me right now, what are you still waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. That is just the only way you have to support this channel, and share this video to your loved ones. Thank you. So as you can see, our butter has doubled in size. So I'm just going to stir it together a little bit. So in my frying pan, I'm going to be using sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but guys, you don't need to overheat your oil, because if not, your puff puff will get burned outside and inside will not be cooked. So you just have to control your heat, not too high and not too low. just have to flip both sides. Just be flipping them up and down so that the both sides can cook properly. So as you can see, our puff puff is golden brown, so nice, looking so beautiful, guys. So I'm just going to take out my puff puff out of the oil. Please, you need to put it in a kitchen napkin. You just place the kitchen napkin inside your bowl or inside your plate so that will help to absorb the excess oil in your puff puff. So I'm going to repeat this process again. So if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Please give this video a very big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And for my old returnees, thank you so much for always coming back. Please guys, share this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. And guys, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and setting it in all. In that way, you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you. I'm going to leave you now, and I will see you in my next video with another recipe. Ciao.